Hi. In this video, we will learn how to create a registration request and register the SmartCAL-Load using the registration tool. To make the process much easier to understand, we will separate this video into 3 chapters. Chapter 1, How to create a request file. Chapter 2, Payment method. And Chapter 3 is the registration process. First, we will have to open the SmartCAL-Load and log into demo mode. Once you are at the home menu, click the registration form icon to open the request form. As you can see, the checklist is provided in the form to serve as your guide in creating the request file. We will now proceed and follow through with all the items in the checklist. The first item is, you have to insert your dedicated or nominated USB flash drive to where the SmarCAL-Load registration tool will be stored permanently. The USB flash drive is not necessarily empty or new. Your existing or old USB flash drive will do. Please note that the registration tool will only work if the dedicated or nominated USB flash drive is inserted into the computer. For the second item, you have to rename the USB flash drive into SmartCAL. Renaming it otherwise, the request will not be successfully created. The third item is to fill up the referral form by ticking this tick box if someone has referred you. Leave it blank if not applicable. In this instance, you may now proceed to fill up all the yellow text boxes of your personal information. For some nationalities, the middle name is not applicable. Please tick this tick box if the middle initial is not applicable for you, and proceed with the rest of the items. Your username and password here may only be a dummy for your privacy. You can change it later in your registration tool as you would like it to be. And for the fourth item, since all the information has been filled up, please click this button to create the request file. The SCL rec file will now be created. Notice that the file name has been automatically generated after your name as you have filled in the form. You may save the file name as it is, and save it to the location you want, then send this file as an attachment to contact@smartcal-load.net. You will receive a confirmation email as a response to your request, and along with it, is the payment details and various payment method for your convenience. You may choose whichever is applicable and easier on your end. Once the payment has been confirmed, the download link for your SmartCAL-Load registration tool will be sent to you. Download and extract the file into your nominated USB flash drive. To register the SmartCAL-Load into your computer, open the application. You will be automatically directed to the registration page. If the SmartCAL-Load is still opened on your computer, click the Login Logout button to show up the registration page. There are 4 steps in the registration process that we have to follow. To proceed with the registration, click the Step 1 button to launch the registration tool you have extracted and stored in your USB flash drive. For Step 2, once you have opened the registration tool, you may change your username and password to be used to log in into SmartCAL-Load. Now, for Step 3, click the red button on the registration tool in order for the SmartCAL-Load to copy the registration script. And finally, for Step 4, click the registration page of the SmartCAL-Load again, and click the Step 4 button. The notification will pop up if you have successfully registered the SmartCAL-Load. You will now be directed to the login page. Log in using your username and password the same as what you have set on your registration tool. To finalize the registration process, click the Profiles icon, and change the names accordingly, and click the Commit button, and very importantly, please save the file by clicking the Save button, or, by the usual keyboard shortcut function, Ctrl+S. At this stage, we have already completed the registration procedures. You may now close the registration tool application and safely remove the SmartCal USB flash drive. Keep this USB flash drive as you may need it in the future to register the SmartCAL-Load into another computer. Moreover, the next time you open the registered version of the SmartCAL-Load on your computer, you will no longer need to insert the SmartCal USB flash drive. You are only required to log in using your username and password. You may now enjoy the fully registered version of the application and use its full capabilities. Thanks for watching.